The truth is, the future is here. ChatGPT and cars.
The 9000 series is the most reliable computer ever made.
In your car. It just rolled out this past week. Mercedes-Benz, almost 1 million cars, updated their info system to include Microsoft's ChatGPT-powered generative AI on voice-activated controls.
Dave.
Basically a voice assistant. Apparently, not only is it a navigation tool, but you can also ask it complex questions. You can ask Hal for dinner recommendations or
Hal,
answers to an existential dilemma you may have. If you drive a late model Benz, all you gotta do is say, "Hey Mercedes, I wanna join the beta program." No matter your opinion on ChatGPT or voice assistants for cars, you can't deny that this is actually a good thing because hands on the steering wheel instead of their smartphone. So there's gotta be a lot of safety goodness coming out of this. "Hey Mercedes, can you take a selfie for me, please?"
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Benz. I mean, why not Tesla if Elon was one of the initial investors for OpenAI? Pretty interesting. Granted, he is making his own ChatGPT competitor called X.AI. So it's safe to assume it will be in a Tesla at some point. Soon ChatGPT is going to be in everything. Jeez. Very impressive numbers. According to the generative AI revolution, which of course, ChatGPT as a software has the fastest adoption in history out of any software ever. Extremely impressive, reaching 100 million monthly users in a span of just 2 months. So they got this in January while launched in November. So December, January, boom, 100 million users, beating out one of the fastest ever, TikTok. If you ever use TikTok, it is incredibly addictive. Super, super interesting. But TikTok took 9 months to reach 100 million users. That is a whole lot. So is it a fad or is it here to stay? Well, we will see. But in all likelihood, it's probably here to stay. Hey Mercedes, are you here to stay? Never mind, because Mercedes are not very reliable.
Dave.
Don't buy Mercedes, they're not reliable. Pretty impressive growth. I will make a video about that. But anyways, thanks for sticking around, guys, watching to the end. I appreciate it as always. That's it for this one. Smash a like if you haven't. Please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it.